Hi guys, happy new month. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, you're welcome. And if it's not your first time, you're also welcome. You already know the drill. I appreciate you. So guys, it's officially July. We're officially deep into summer, okay? Like no going back, it's summertime. I don't know about you, but for me, summer screams brunch. Summer screams going to the beach. Summer screams just like being outside, cookouts, having fun with your friends. However, coronavirus has come and kind of just put a dent in the whole summer plans and how you can kind of go about having your fun with your friends. But I don't know if you heard, but like picnics are the new brunch. So brunch is out. Actually, that's a lie. Brunch can never be out. People are still going to have brunch. That's just the way this world rolls. But picnics are the new brunch. Like, I don't know if you've been going through Instagram. I'm pretty sure at some point or the other, you've probably seen a picture like this one, or this one, or this one. Right? And you probably thought to yourself, I would really like to try that with my friends. This looks so cool. It looks like it's fun. Well, guess what, guys? It is actually so much fun. I recently went on a picnic with my friends. Insert picture right here. Okay, this was so much fun, guys. I'm telling you, picnics are everything. It's relaxing, it's fun, it's like just a good environment to just chill, hang out with your girls, talk, about life and whatever. And it's outdoors, so you don't run the risk of like being inside and exposing yourself to coronavirus. So if you've thought to yourself, I want to plan a picnic, but you don't know how to get started, well, look no further, because in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to plan a picnic. It actually doesn't take that much effort, guys. It's so easy to plan a picnic. I think people think like, oh, you need to like do all of this stuff and it's like so much. It's actually not. It didn't cost me and my friends like that much to actually plan this picnic. So without further ado, let's get into the video where I'm going to tell you all about how you can plan a picnic and have like a really amazing day with your friends, girlfriends, or guy friends, okay? So before we move on, if you've not yet hit that subscribe button, okay, go ahead and do it. Just do it. Like, why not? What's it gonna cost you? It's just gonna be like, it's gonna take you literally 1 second. Just do it. Like, why not? I put out great content. I spend time working on these videos. It'll be great if I like, got my subscriber count up so that YouTube can have me monetized and I can start making this money. You know what I'm saying? So please go ahead and smash that subscribe button and I would really appreciate it. Okay, let's get into the video. So the first thing, once you decide that you want to plan a picnic, is obviously to like contact your girls and your guys and figure out like who's interested in coming in this picnic. Trust me, guys, initially 10 people can say, oh yeah, I'm interested, but it will probably end up being 5 of you going if you're lucky, maybe even 3 people. So make sure, you reach out to people and you're like, hey, I want to go on a picnic, figure out who's interested. That way you can kind of figure out like, what size of a picnic you're planning for and also how to kind of like delegate different things. Okay, so that's the first thing. So the second thing you need to do is to find a location. The most popular places for, picnics are usually the park or you go to a lakeside. And I've also seen some people do it at the beach. So those are the 3 most popular places, but definitely don't feel like you're limited by like, outside. You can totally do a picnic inside your house. Look, okay? It's coronavirus. It's still out there. It's real. So if you don't feel comfortable going outside, even if it's outdoors, it's totally fine for you to do it in your house. And if you have like a proper house with a backyard and everything, you can totally have a picnic in your backyard. Like there's grass right there. You can totally do it. Like there's nothing stopping you. Trust me. There's no limitations to doing a picnic. You have all of your resources around you, even if it's your living room. Just do it. Just don't think about it. Just do it. Just do it. Okay? So the third thing you need to do is to pick a date. Guys, this is so important, okay? The date that you pick for your picnic has to be a date that the weather is going to be as nice as possible. To be honest, you're not going to be able to predict the weather. Even if you check the weather app, whatever it is, there's still going to be like a degree of uncertainty. That's just how the weather works. So what you want to do is you want to pick a day in a week where the chances of rainfall are like close to 0. Let me actually tell you guys a fun story. When me and my friends planned our picnic, we picked a day that it was not supposed to rain. It was supposed to be like 0 rainfall. So tell me why when we got to the lakeside and we started setting up, it literally started to drizzle, guys. Like it started to lightly drizzle and we were just like, you have got to be kidding me, because we had already planned this whole thing and now you're telling me that we're going to have to leave? We were so upset. But then I think God smiled down on us because as soon as the rain started, it stopped. I think God was just trying to be like, if I really wanted to mess this up for you, I could, well, let me just leave you today. I'll mess with somebody else or something. I don't know. But we were able to have our picnic nonetheless. So basically, the point of this whole thing is just make sure you pick a date where the weather is good. It's so important to check the weather because if you pick a day that's going to rain, your picnic is not going to happen, especially if it's outdoors. If it's indoors, then that's fine. But let's be honest, you probably want to do it outdoors. So alright, so the next thing you need to plan for is like your food and your setup. This shouldn't be hard like at all. It should be really easy. I think people tend to think that would be the hardest part, but it really isn't. The foods you should bring are really simple things. So I'm going to give you a list and I'll be looking down because I don't want to forget an item. So you're going to need some fruit. So basically like berries and grapes. So like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries if you're into that, blackberries, some green grapes, red grapes. Yeah, like basic, fruits that you can eat easily with your hand, which is all fruits. But I don't think you should do an apple. I don't know. I feel like apples are kind of, it requires a lot of teeth. Yeah, I wouldn't do an apple, but you could, do you. And then you want to get some vegetables like cucumbers, carrots, broccoli, celery. You can get some peppers. So you can either like buy your own vegetables or you can buy like a pre-made platter. Personally, we bought our own vegetables and our fruit. We bought everything. We didn't buy like any platters just because it was more cost effective and it was easy for us to like split it amongst like, all of us without having to like shell out a lot of money each person. Then you want to get like some sort of like something with bread because it'll keep you full, so you can get like some pastries or whatever. You can get like you can get sandwiches, you can get croissants, you can have like cupcakes there. I wouldn't do anything like that's too I saw some people that had like truffles on theirs and I was just kind of like, it's hot outside, those are gonna melt. So I don't really know about that, but you can have sandwiches, you can have like croissants, you can have like some type of bread, you can have like some cupcakes, and because we're Nigerian, so we had meat pie and chin chin, so you can totally do something like that. But remember, it's a picnic. So to my fellow Africans, okay, you don't need to bring jollof rice and goat meat or soup, okay? It's a picnic. Just bring foods that you can like, hold in your hand. So handheld foods. You don't need jollof rice, but I know somebody's going to say if I want to do my jollof rice, I'll do it. So by all means, do you, okay? If you want to bring jollof rice, if you want to bring your mutton pesto to pound yam, do that also, but it's a picnic. So just do like, you're trying to be cute and you're trying to be whatever. So just do like handheld foods, okay? Don't do too much. Don't do too much. Okay, then drinks. So for drinks, you can basically do anything that like suits you. You can do like wine, you can do beer, you can do juice, you can do mocktails, cocktails, apple cider, whatever you want. Like it's just drinks, it's whatever you want. We had some wine and we had some sparkling water, I think. And also you need actual water because you do need to stay hydrated. So you don't want to like not have water. Definitely have water. Oh, and if you really want to be fancy, which we were trying to be, you can buy like stuff for like a charcuterie board. So you can have like crackers, cheese, and like deli meat. And you can like kind of have like your little spread, which by the way, I'm pretty sure I should have shown a picture of the spread, but if I haven't, here is what it looked like. It was super, super cute, y'all. Like, look at this. Look at this. What? We did that. We did that joint. Okay. And then the last thing you need is like items for your setup. So I don't want to forget also, so I'm going to be looking down. So the first thing you need like a large blanket. So preferably something that's lighter. We had a white blanket, but I'll suggest like something that's white or like beige. That's going to like kind of let your spread look really nice and pretty. So you want to get a blanket. Then obviously you need a picnic basket because what's a picnic without a picnic basket, So we had a picnic basket my friend Henrietta got from, I think, Home Goods she got it from. And I don't think they're super expensive, so you should be able to get a picnic basket from Home Goods. And for the blanket, you can get those from like Marshalls or Ross or even Target. So yeah. And also you're going to need like plates and napkins and utensils to like kind of like, I guess if you have like any sort of foods that you need to move with utensils. We had some chicken wings, so we kind of had like tongs to like move the chicken wings and stuff. And also you kind of want something to use to like set up your food. Maybe you have gloves, that way you don't kind of like, you're not touching other people, you're not touching the food that other people are going to be eating, so you can get some gloves. But yeah, you need plates, you need napkins, you need utensils. Yeah. The next thing is flowers. So depending on the location where your picnic is, like if your picnic is like, you know, not somewhere in a park where there's like a lot of flowers, it'll be nice if you can get like some flowers. It doesn't have to be anything too expensive. It can be fake flowers, for even like you can get fake flowers. But if you have like some flowers that you can kind of like put in your picnic basket, like kind of like how we did in this picture, that'll make it like so cute, like for when you take pictures for the gram, like and all that. You know, you want to take, I mean, if you're going to do a picnic, you know you want to take pictures for the gram. Let's be honest. Don't kid yourself. Just get some flowers, okay? Make it look cute. Make it cute. Okay, then the last things I have here is like you want a speaker to kind of have like some music in the background, obviously, so that you know you're kind of like having fun as you're talking and doing whatever it is you're doing. Then you want like, obviously you want to have some type of like game planned. That way, you know, maybe after you guys talk, you can kind of play some games, use that to like relax or whatever. And then like for your setup, like so on our setup here, we kind of have mostly our food and drinks, but then we brought a book. Guys, trust me, we didn't read this book. This book was for the gram, okay? It was just for the, it was literally just for the gram. So you can bring a book to like, you know, put on your spread. That way when you take your picture for the gram, it's looking really cute. Let's be honest, it's for the gram. Let's not lie. But it's also fun, so it's kind of like win-win, okay? It's win-win. I'm trying to think of what else I might be forgetting. I don't think I've forgotten anything. Obviously you want to have like a camera device sort of thing. A camera device sort of thing. What? You want to have like a camera, or you can have like a really good phone that you can use. I can't believe I just said that. You want to have like a camera or like a phone that you can use to take like your pictures and all of that. And yeah, so I think that's everything. Like that's all you need for a picnic, to be honest. You don't need that much. So I'm going to list all the items that I've talked about down below in the description box. Make sure to check it out. Yeah, so that's really all I have. I really hope this video helps you figure out, you know, what you need in order to be able to plan your picnic and how to like execute it and whatever. And obviously make sure to wear something super cute. We try to kind of like dress super cute. So this is me and my friends in this picture right here. You know, we try to like, you know, be cute and whatever. But yeah, so I hope this video helped you figure out how to plan your own picnic. And yeah, that's all I have. And I just wanted to mention really quickly that this look that I have on, like this little graphic liner thing that's going on, if you want to know how I achieved this graphic liner look, check out the link that's going to be either up here or up here. I'm not sure. It's going to be somewhere up there. So check out the link and yeah, watch more of my videos and subscribe to my channel and share the videos with people you know. Okay? All right. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.